Hey there, this is Alex with ActiveMerge, and in this video I want to show you a bit of the updates we made to ActiveMerge. So I'm in the ActiveMerge dashboard, and I want to show you how we change the document generation flow in the app. We click Start New Job. Now we have multiple pages for each step. Before we had a simple page that was displaying a lot of data, and sometimes the users were confused. We have the same options. We have Google Drive, save templates, and you can upload your template from your device. If you don't know how to create a template, you just need to add this type of variables here. So curly braces, single curly brace, name of the variable, and that's it. Don't use spaces. You can use underscore, but that would be the only restriction. So I already have some templates here, and this is a preview. Now we display a preview of the template that you have. I'm going to click continue. I'm going to go with sample data that we prepare for the free users to test. I'm going to select PDF as an export format. Click continue. And here we have the interface that you already are familiar with, where we display the data and the placeholders. We improved the field mapping here, and now we are using AI to map the data, so it's a lot easier for you to do this. And we have still the custom file names. And now we can click View and Generate. And this will give you the details of the current job for credits and credits available. Confirm and generate. And the files are generated. I can download the file, or I can save it. We can start an email campaign, and the other options that are available in ActiveMerge. And that's about it for this update. I hope you find it useful. I think the interface is a bit more clearer and gives the users a few more options to work with it. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.